It's a cold night here in Dublin and I'm here for the J-Diff opening gala where Tim Roth and Cillian Murphy are going to be walking this red carpet very soon. Rufus, tell us all about the whole experience working on Broken.
Well, it sounds like a cliche, but it was pretty fantastic. Of course, the hard bit is getting the thing bloody made. So all the years of trying to get the money, trying to get the cast together, and all the rest of it. But once we got over those hurdles, and even when you're facing those hurdles, you kind of, I come from a theatre background where, for years it was do it yourself and just get on with it, and nobody can tell you can't do it, but you just do it. And there was a certain point where we lost all the money and everything was going crap. And then I thought, no, it's okay, I know where I am now.
How do you turn things around then in that instance?
Well, you just get very, very pushy in one or two areas to make sure it gets over the line. And you also go, right, if we could make this film for 20 million, we could make it for 50 grand. How much have I got? Okay, we'll do it for that.
Could you tell me what drew you to the role in Broken?
It was just a beautiful script, and it really affected me when I read it, and I kind of recognised that character, and just really wanted to be involved.
How do you think something like this affects Dublin and Ireland, having festivals like this? Is it important?
I think so. I think I've always loved the Dublin Film Festival. I think it's a festival for film goers and people that love film, and those are the best ones. It's not exclusive, and I think that's what makes it so appealing.
I obviously have to ask how you're enjoying London, considering you're not in Cork, and when we're not in Cork, we miss Cork. You know how it is?
Yeah, I was back a lot in January, and so yeah, I got my fill. Yeah, I do miss Cork.
And tell me, what was it like working alongside Tim Roth? You've worked with so many actors in your time. Did you enjoy the experience?
Yeah, tremendously. I mean, he's a hero of mine right from the beginning. So, you get to work with people like that, you really do have to pinch yourself.
Tell me, what drew you to the role in Broken?
I loved it. I mean, he's got such a great heart. He's such a good person. I've done that rarely, but never on with such a in such a way. The fact it was about, for me, the central role is the girl, obviously, in the film, but the relationship between father and daughter I hadn't really experienced that much. I'd done it in Lie to Me a little bit, but not in this form.
You brought up Lie to Me, so we have to talk about it. I absolutely love that program. Did you go away thinking all those psychological things and checking everybody around you, seeing if they're lying all the time?
No, we were asked when we were start to do the show, should we? You can take a course, and Paul Ekman, whose science is based on, said he'll teach us. And I said, no, I don't want to know. I do not want to know when my kids are lying to me. I'm not interested.
Might come in handy though.
No, you know what? It's better. It comes more in handy if you pretend that you know to them, so that they get a little bit more paranoid. So it's better that way.